Whether you're replacing an interior doorknob for functional or aesthetic purposes, changing it out is a rather simple task. For this project, all you need is a new doorknob and a Phillips head screwdriver. For this example, we made sure to purchase a locking interior doorknob since it will be used on a bathroom. To remove the old doorknob, first remove the 2 long screws located at the plate at the base of the knob. Next, pull the assembly apart. You will need to press in on the latch to fully remove the assembly. Next, remove the faceplate and latch from the door, and remove the strike plate from the door frame. Install the new faceplate. Make sure that the latch is facing in the direction that the door closes. Then take the new knob assembly and thread the spindle through the latch. Be sure to keep a good grip on the assembly until you are able to set the screws. Install the new strike plate on the door frame, and then you're done. If you have any questions about this process, call Home Spectors at 336-382-7269.